Sorkar Jylla kala penshai baka Sorkar ya minta kamla Kyntiew ya ka Tulop Nonghikai SSA kiblabu pore ka Sorkar hadu ka khat pratrek minta banai bakan penut loin ke jingda wa jongki umentri katana puli puthi jong ke Jylla umala kamen rimboi habe krem beklap thai khubor ulong baki dang khmi bha halor kani ka benta wala ke jingda wa ki Nonghikai ka long ka badai penban habru ban pej la ka Sorkar kala ne em ban le ekani Ulai thu baka Sorkar ka don kam ko ba ars pak lurting ka na ka benta ban Kyntiew ka Tulop Nonghikai bari menta hi ka Sorkar kamla banle ekani mardor
The demand of teachers is, we study it and we will study what is the feasibility of the demand. It is not that the demand is not genuine, the demand is genuine, but the thing is that whether the government have the capacity or not, that is a different issue altogether.
Hablakali halor ka jingthmu jika Sorkar ban khang no ek school ki bidan khana school tang hapo ka khandai ngot ulai thu bakila sadang ekani hindoi na mar ka jingwan no jika khlam COVID-19 ki kam baro kila sakut badan kam ka Sorkar ban perkhat biang halor kani ka benta
We have already prepared the plan for that, but the thing is that in the midst of that, this pandemic comes, so everything comes to stand still. So the plan is still there, and we are working how to do it. But having said that, even if there is a single digit, but if the distance from the nearby school is very far, so we have to have that schools.
So don't you think that?
You see, the government, it is a duty bound of for the government to provide accessibility for the student. And we in Meghalaya, we have seen that at least for the lower primary, the accessibility is, as you said, that there are some schools which are more than what it is required. That's why we have come up with in 2019, we have come up with a plan that to restructure the school. First we'll start with the government school. After that, then we'll go to other schools.